Hubba Bubba, my favorite.
Oh my.
And it's got a filling to it. I'm ready to dig in now. Look at what I can do, Zach.
Not too shabby, but I wonder if you'll be able to blow bubbles with gum that contains a surprise. I'll just leave this here.
This is so yummy. More, please. Oh, what's this? My tooth?
Ooh.
She fell for it. Whoa, now that's big. Get your hands back.
Rude.
I'm not really sure how to fit all this in my mouth. Might as well start.
I'm so jealous.
Oh man, I can't get this last bit in. Oh no, it's all stuck. Help me!
Ugh, this is so gross.
Come on, pull harder.
I'm trying.